For my third strategy, I'm using flipped learning. Flipped learning is for the advanced level. Flipped learning is when the students review and try and teach themselves different knowledge about the content area. And then when they come back to class or during class, y'all review it together. So we will be doing that. Again, my content area is science and the grade level is 4th grade. My TEKs are on the metric system and creating drawings, writings, and concept maps again. This time though, I am going to send this home with the kids. It is a metric system chart explaining what a ruler is, a yardstick, and a tape measure. And then it goes into different metric conversions, and then the instructions for the assignment are at the end. So the students are going to take this home and review it, look over it, and they're going to go outside and measure a bush, plant, flower, whatever they want for the measuring item they have. And they are going to take notes and draw on what they observed, how tall it is, how wide it is, the length of it, and they're going to explain their observations in writing, along with draw a picture, a detailed picture of their plant that they measured. The next day when they come back to class, we are going to talk about or draw a concept map together. And when we draw this together, we are going to write down what they measured, what they used to measure it, and how tall it is. So here we have a small tree that someone measured. We have some cut grass that was freshly cut, so it was all the same size. Then we have a flower that someone measured, and we have a small hedge that someone measured. And we talk about this. So when we review that, then we go over some key vocabulary words, such as what metric means, a foot, a yard, a ruler, a yard stick, and all that kind of stuff. This benefits them because it gives them time to explore the new content on their own and get a little bit familiar with it and build background knowledge in order to learn more in depth about it when they do come back to class.